If you want the perfect Mother's Day gift, don't give flowers. Unfortunately, flowers die. I'm going to share with you how to build your own turnkey system with everything you need to earn online. More importantly, post recipes from the top chefs. Now, if your mom's a great cook, hey, she can post her own recipes. Let me share with you how to do this without posting products and without selling one step at a time. Hey, my name is Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches for 26 years, since 1995. My students and I earn online without selling a darn thing. I don't want you selling anything or posting products on social media. I want you to engage people with curated recipes you can quantify and curate from YouTube to your WordPress site, from WordPress to your social media. Let me share with you how simple this is. So here is one of my turnkey websites. This is Robert's Curated Chefs. I basically have curated the top chefs from YouTube and put them into different categories. Now this site is built for you, all set to go. All you have to do is implement it. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. So as an example, say that I want to check out Bobby Flay breakfast recipes. So I can come here and watch what happens. So not only will your audience be engaged with a Bobby Flay recipe, but notice now if they want to engage and go to Amazon to buy a Bobby Flay cookbook or anything related to cooking on Amazon, they have that opportunity. But the idea here is that you're earning without selling, you're engaging. You know the number one reason why people fail to make money online? 96%, 96 out of 100 people will fail to earn online because they're trying to sell. I don't want you selling. I want you to ride the coattails of YouTube, Facebook, WordPress, and my training videos, which are free, by the way. So my complete turnkey system is a great gift for Mother's Day. So you can basically, now if your mom's a good cook, hey, she can post her own recipes. But recipes drive traffic, driving traffic to your niche site. So let's go back to my site and share with you more of the experience. So if I wanted to share this recipe on my social media, it really is this simple. Now you'll also get free software to auto post on Facebook. So here's my countdown clock. You can do the same thing with any kind of specials. Now, of course, they can buy whatever products they want here. But the idea here is I didn't get them to come to my website by trying to sell them. I got them to come here by engaging with a video. So as an example, if you want to share this on your social media, again, I have software that will do this for you automatically, but I simply click here. So if you look at my Facebook page, you'll see that I'm not basically selling, I'm engaging. So here's a Michelin omelet recipe. Somebody clicks to watch that recipe from YouTube, it takes them directly to my store. And then you're off to the races, because then they're going to engage with more videos. Or if they want to purchase something, they can. But keep in mind, very important step here. You're not trying to sell them, you're trying to engage them. So here's another example. I have many students of mine that earn with a $3,500, $4,500 NordicTrack commercial treadmill. How do they do this? Do they post the treadmill on their social media? No, that's not going to work. That's selling. Rather, they curate a video from YouTube to their WordPress page. They share it on social media. So if you're in the market for a treadmill, would you respond to treadmill today only 30%, 40% off, or would you respond better to the 10 best treadmill reviews for 2021? That's exactly my system, and that's why it works. So stay away from the snake oil, the get rich quick, the guru nonsense out there, and work smart by engaging people with content from YouTube to your WordPress page, to your social media, and that's how you engage people to drive traffic. Number one thing that you need is traffic to your recipe website. Once you're on your recipe website, they can go to Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Williams-Sonoma, and buy anything they want. But you're not getting them to come to your website by selling them. You're getting them to come there by engaging things they're interested in. Workout, fitness videos, makeup videos, recipe videos. So thanks again for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. I'm here to help you every step of the way. This is a great gift for Mother's Day. Click the banner ad, go check out the rest of my videos, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. Let's make 2021 your mom's best year ever.